adventure.
Grab your hat and pack a snack. We're off to the zoo, no turning back. Tigers roar and monkeys play. It's time for our zoo day. Hooray! Stomp like an elephant, swing like an ape, slide like a penguin, wiggle like a snake. Marching through, what do we see? A wild zoo adventure for you and me.
The lions yawn in the morning sun. Giraffes eat leaves, tall and fun. Flamingos stand on just one leg, and we flap like birds and hop like eggs.
What sound does a lion make?
How does a zebra run?